Hello, thank you for watching Montessori lesson channel. In this video I will be doing a lesson on using a rolling pin and cookie cutter from the Montessori Practical Life Unit. Please subscribe to my channel, press the like button and bell icon to be notified when a new video comes up. In a Montessori classroom, practical life activities play a crucial role in developing children's independence and fine motor skills. One engaging lesson involves using a rolling pin and cookie cutters, which not only teaches essential cooking skills but also enhances sensory experiences. The lesson begins with a brief introduction to the materials. Children are shown a rolling pin, cookie cutters, and dough. The instructor explains the purpose of each item, emphasizing how they work together to create fun shapes. This introduction sparks curiosity and excitement. Next, children gather around a table, where the dough is prepared. The instructor demonstrates how to knead the dough, explaining the importance of this step in making it pliable. Children take turns kneading, which strengthens their hand muscles and improves coordination. This hands-on experience allows them to connect with the process of making dough. Once the dough is ready, the instructor shows how to roll it out evenly using the rolling pin. This step is crucial, as it teaches children about even pressure and control. As they practice rolling, they learn to adjust their grip and apply the right amount of force. This not only enhances their motor skills but also fosters patience and focus. After rolling out the dough, children are introduced to the cookie cutters. Each child chooses a shape they want to create, fostering decision-making skills. The instructor demonstrates how to press the cookie cutter into the dough, emphasizing the importance of pressing down firmly to achieve a clean shape. Children eagerly follow suit, experimenting with different shapes and sizes. As they cut out cookies, the lesson encourages creativity. Children can mix and match shapes, creating unique designs. This aspect of the lesson allows for self-expression while reinforcing the concept of following a sequence in a task. The excitement builds as they see their creations take shape. Once the cookies are cut, the instructor guides children in transferring them to a baking sheet. This step involves careful lifting and placement, reinforcing coordination and control. Children learn the importance of teamwork as they help each other with this task, fostering a sense of community. Finally, the cookies are ready for baking, and children eagerly anticipate the delicious results. While waiting, the instructor engages them in a discussion about the baking process, explaining how heat transforms the dough into cookies. This conversation deepens their understanding of cause and effect. After baking, the moment of enjoyment arrives. Children taste their creations, celebrating their hard work. This lesson not only teaches practical skills but also instills a sense of accomplishment and joy in cooking. Through the rolling pin and cookie cutter activity, children develop essential life skills while having fun, embodying the essence of Montessori education. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel for more new videos on how to teach Montessori and on instructions on how to set up your own home Montessori teaching environment. I also make posts on Instagram at Montessori Homeschooling 53.